This is how you can share your location with someone on WhatsApp. Remember, when you share your location with someone on WhatsApp, they will see your location in real time, even when you're not using the app. Of course, if you don't want to keep sharing your location, you can as well change it. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you are welcome. Let's get started. Launch WhatsApp on your mobile device. Select the contact you want to share your location with. Assuming I want to share my location with this person, I will simply tap here to select this contact. Next, select the paperclip icon. Tap on location. You can search location by clicking on this magnifying glass icon here. Next, you can share your live location. Just tap here. You can as well send your current location. Assuming I want to go with this, I will simply tap here and click continue. Participants in this chat will see my location in real time. This feature shares my location for the duration I choose, even if I'm not using the app. So I will click continue. This is the location. If you want to add a comment, add a comment. Once you are done, click the send icon here. This is sent. I've shared my location with this contact I selected. This is how you can share your location with someone on WhatsApp. If you want to stop sharing your location with this person, simply tap stop sharing. Stop sharing live location. Click on stop and this location will stop automatically. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.